Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to install WhatsApp on your Samsung Galaxy 6 watch. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to install WhatsApp on your watch, we need to firstly go to the Play Store. We click on this button and turn on our watch. Then we swipe up and click on this Google Play Market icon. Right here, we click on Search and write WhatsApp. And right here you can see the application WhatsApp Manager. We click on it and click Install. After you have downloaded WhatsApp Messenger, you just need to simply click on Open. After this, the watch will try automatically connect to a WhatsApp through your phone. But if you don't have WhatsApp installed on your phone, you would need to download it on your phone and log in with your number. After you make sure that you have downloaded WhatsApp and you are logged in on your phone, now we can click Try Again on our watches. And you will see on your phone that you are trying to link a device, and we need to click on Confirm and write the code which is shown on the watches. Continue. And we need to allow WhatsApp to send you notifications so you can see when someone writes you a new message. And after this, you can see your WhatsApp messengers on your watch. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.